Are you sharing your screen? I can't see anything yet. printing. You don't know that you use if statements to do that thing. That you printing is you start with your if statement first. What are you waiting for?
What do I type of the statement?
You what?
How do I type of the statement?
What did you learn about variables within a range? What did you learn about that in the last class?
Variable within a range.
The what?
Variable within a range.
Yes, variables within a range. What did you learn about it in the last class? Can you look at what I sent to you on WhatsApp as an example before these questions were sent to you?
Only multiple. The last note we did was about multiple if else statements.
Look at WhatsApp. I sent it to you on WhatsApp where we talked about age between this thing 0 and 5, toddler, all those things. Look at it there. Look at it. The note on multiple if else statements.
There. Multiple if elif statements.
So what did you see there when we used age as an example? What did you see there? Eh?
When we use age, it was
Yeah.
if age greater than or equals 1 and age less than or equals 3, colon 20 must be a toddler.
Is that not simple enough? Is that not simple enough? So what is it that you don't know how to do here? The one on the left, the number on the left, you will see you use that variable greater than or equals to that one. The one on the right, you use the variable less than or equals to that one. Simple. Then you use your hand in between. You see my issue now? I'm really wondering, do you read the note or you just copy it and you close your book and you go to sleep? Now there's a sample for that print statement, so you have to look at that sample and follow that sample. Towards the end of the question, there's a sample there where it says, for instance, is medium the first one?
No, I put 100 for my chest size.
It doesn't matter now. It's the code that you're looking at. What did the question say for 91 to 96? It's not about whether you so use just follow the question. The 100 will find its place. Just follow the question. Now you are not supposed to know what the person typed, so I don't know how you are so sure that it's 100. It's just because you are in this scenario where you can see your code. So this thing you are not supposed to know. So that 100 that you are putting there is supposed to be a variable. In other words, you should have a place where your quotation mark will end, and then you put that variable chest size. Comma. Where's your comma? You are supposed to put a comma. If you don't put a comma, you just have an error there.
Should I enter?
Yes, now you have to enter so that you go and do the next one. I think this indentation is too much. I don't even know whether you can do it.
Back?
If you can move back, you can move the first one back. Can you move that print statement back?
Yes.
Move it back now. Don't move it to the end. Just move it back. It's okay. Okay, one more step. Okay, and you can go to the end and yes, continue.
Let's move this one back.
Is it not an elif that you're supposed to do now? I'm asking you, is it not an elif? If it's an elif, then you cannot indent it. You're not supposed to indent elif. It's only the statements inside that you indent. I mean, this thing is clear. It's there in the example. Did you hear what I said? You're not supposed to indent elif. That elif that you're indenting is wrong. You have an error. See, Ugo, there are some questions I don't expect you to ask. When you type a colon, you should know the next thing to do. Now for this one, are you listening to me?
Yes.
For this one, we will need another elif, and I will explain why.
What?
I said we will need another elif. The reason why is because there's another range, and that range doesn't just include the rest of the numbers. For instance, now, all the numbers less than 91, there's no category for it. So that means that our program should see those ones as not catered for. So that's the one that we'll put in the else. So use your elif and do the last category. Then we'll now use an else and say that our program does not cover that size. So the last one should be else. Don't forget your
Then what
colon.
should I type inside the print statement?
Sorry, this program does not cater for that size.
What is? Can you spell it?
Cater.
Yes.
CATER. So can you see that your program handled it well?
Yes.
All right. Can you take on the second one quickly? There were 2 questions there, right?
Yeah.
Or attempt the second one.
Come on. Score. Enter your score. Please. Enter your score. Please.
No quotation marks.
My problem. That's just not my problem. Not my problem. That's just not my problem. My problem. That's just not my problem. My problem. That's just not my problem. I got it.
Continue your question now. Why did you stop?
Wait, hold. Oh. Wait, hold on. F score equals to 9. On the beat. 100 slugs. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. Yeah. Mr. Charles.
Yes.
Am I supposed to type?
There is an example there. Look at the example and follow it.
Where? Oh.
Look at the question now. The question has also, for instance. B.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Right.
What's the next thing that you saw there?
75.
An example. So that's to tell you that that's where your
What did you say?
quotation mark.
Huh?
Put your opening parenthesis and end the quotation mark. Then you know what to do. No, that last closing parenthesis is supposed to be another quotation mark, and you forgot your comma. We just did an example now in the previous one. You're supposed to put a comma there. Aren't you conscious of what you are learning? Be conscious. Now you have to start this thing all over again. Please be careful this time. Where is your opening parenthesis? Then close the quotation mark. Put a comma. Put your variable name. Then put another comma. And then put quotation mark again. And then your closing. Now close the quotation mark. Close the quotation mark. Then now close your print statement. Go to. Have you seen what you're supposed to do now?
Yeah.
Good. That's how you do the rest of them. you know that you can do a copy and paste to make yourself faster. Just be careful when you're doing your copy and paste. Make sure that you copy exactly what you need and you paste it. No, which one is chest size? It's score that you should be copying. Copy that print statement. Copy the print statement that you've already pasted on top and change it. Be careful. Look at your indentation. Indentation level has moved. Move it backwards so that it will line up with that print. If not, you have an error. Now, if I were you, I would just copy that elif. Copy the elif from the elif to the print statement. Have you copied it? Then change what you need to change.
Instead of 70, people 59 or 45 69 or very good boy. So from a suicide. I'm in a good boy. Your grade is your grade is your grade your grade is your grade is your grade your grade is wait your grade is wait your grade is your grade is 40 58 oh you need that nah remember I love to Sufo. My name is Lo Adoka from the 40 to 58, right? 29 to 39. What's 9? 29.
Should you do what?
Should I just type else?
Yes, type else because this one is clearly there's no other group after it. At least we don't know of anybody that can get a negative mark. So we know that the lowest mark is 0. So that covers everything. Quotation mark, quotation mark, quotation mark. Once you start seeing your print in black, that should give you a sign that something is wrong. Printing, your string should be green. Once you see it is black, there's a problem. F, is that not F?
Yes.
I saw you typing Y. Is that what you expected it to show?
Yes. I knew.
That's for it. Okay. So it's fine. You have been able to do the two questions. What I'll just say is this: because of the nature of Python programs, that if you have to repeat this code now, you remember when we are doing JavaScript, all you need to do is to just refresh the page, the thing will repeat. But this one now, you have to be copying and pasting and copying and pasting and copying and pasting. What I would advise is that if you want to do this kind of question next time, put it inside a while loop. When you put it inside a while loop, you will see that you can do it maybe for 5 times or 10 times, as many times as you want, not just one time. You understand what I'm saying, right?
No.
You don't understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Huh?
No. Yeah.
You don't understand?
Yeah.
I don't understand. Which one are you saying? Do you understand what I just explained now?
No.
Okay. Now, if you wanted to try another grade, another score, do you notice that you have to be doing copying and paste?
Yes.
So I'm saying that to avoid that inconvenience, for you to write the code one time, and then you don't have to be doing copy and paste. You can just put everything inside a while loop. You've learned about while loop, right?
And you don't need to be copying and pasting. You can just watch it while.
It will just be repeating itself one time. If you put the while loop to run one time, it will run only one time. If you put the while loop to run 2 times, it will run 2 times. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes. One time upon one time.
Can you do that for the second one?
Will you guide me?
It's simple now. We start with a while loop with a counter. So you just do a variable I, and you indicate that I think it's 0 ahead. Then on the next line, you have your while loop. You set the condition while I is less than, how many do you want to do?
Let me see. I read 43.
23. You want to
43.
43. Do you understand what I'm saying? That means this loop is going to run 43 times. Okay.
I want it to run 43 times. Then I'll reduce it to. Then I'll reduce it to 14. Then it gets reduced to 12. Then it gets reduced to 8. Then after 8, nothing else. I am 8. David is 12. Fortune is 14. My mom and dad are 43.
Okay. Continue your coding.
43. 43. No 44. It's only this year. but they have
Put your colon after that.
both. Colon.
Hit enter.
Enter.
Then go and pick the first line of this code, which is score int. Copy that line, score int input. Please enter your score.
Hey.
Have you seen the line I'm talking about? Be careful, copy the first line. Don't copy what follows it. Copy. No. Don't indent now. Yes. Paste. Okay, hit enter. Go and copy the next line. The next line, don't copy the if. Yes, if statement. Yes, the one after. We can confidently copy everything up to the end of the else. Careful. Oh.
Here.
Yes. Paste. Now, you're still indenting. You're not done. No. Still indent. Okay, so now see what we're going to do. Can you see that first if?
Yeah, the first elif.
Yes. In fact, from the print, look at the print. Can you see that print? Print your grade is A. Print your grade is A. Yes, indent it. Indent it. Because it belongs to the if statement. Indent it. Yes, it's okay. It's okay. That's too much.
Up to what letter?
Push it out now. Move it to C in score.
C in score.
Yes. Then indent the elif to match with the if. Indent the elif to match with the if. Indent the elif to match with the if. Leave that one alone first. Is that matching with the if?
I have.
Is that matching?
Yeah.
It's not. It's not matching. Look well. It's not. It's not matching with the if. Now go and indent the print to match with the other prints above it. Okay. Do the same thing for the rest. Elif match with elif. Print match with print. Just do it like that. Careful.
The else match with elif.
Of course now. And then finally that print should match with the print. Now when it hasn't matched too. It hasn't matched. Look at it very well. It hasn't matched. Okay. Now the next statement that you're going to type should match with the else. Did you get that?
Yes.
The next, go to the next line. The next statement you are going to type is going to be I, assignment operator, I plus 1. You know why we said that this thing must be inside your while loop? Because that's what will make I to increase by 1 before it will, so that it can get to the number that you told it to check for, which is 43 in this case, or rather 42. When it reaches 43, that's when the while loop will end. Hit enter. I think that should be the end of your while loop, and that should be the end of the program. So go ahead and test your code. Hit enter. You should hit enter like twice. Can you see it's working now? So that's for the first person. Apparently, because you told it less than 43, it's going to do this 43 times. What did you notice? You typed something now. Did you see what you typed? Any number that is not within our range is giving us F for that number. So this your program, there's still a small challenge. But I think that same challenge is what we had with that chest size one, where we said that if somebody types something that is totally wrong, that cannot be a score, our program should be able to say, sorry, there's no score like that.
If we should scroll up, see, it ended at 0 and I'm typing 1. I never typed any negative. Did I?
You never typed what?
Negative.
No. It's not just the negative. So if somebody types negative, that's not a possible score. That's number one. If somebody types a number that is bigger than 100, like all these big numbers you're typing, that should also be a non-possibility. You understand? So maybe what we would have done is that place where you have else would have been another elif, score greater than 0, greater than or equals to 0, and score less than or equal to what number is that? 28, right? Score greater than or equals to 0 and score less than or equals to 28. That's all I'm saying. That's what would have been there. Then the last else would have been
else.
Before the else. Do you understand? That means we will need another.
After the print your grade is e-score.
Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Yes, for E, yes. After the E, yes. After the E score. So after that E score, we'll need another elif for F. Then after that, we'll now put else. Sorry, there's no score like this. You understand what I'm trying to say?
There's print. Sorry, the program does not cater for this score.
Okay, that's another way of saying it. Yes. All right. Has this thing run 43 times?
When it ends.
What happened? You went and typed in something that you were not supposed to type.
7, please enter the score.
No, it was not. You typed in something. I think you went and typed in a special character. Because of that, I can remember back was because you typed in something that was not a number, and you called int on it. Yes, that's what happened. Okay, so the program has been forced to end. So do you want to fix it? Do you want to fix the code? In this case, it's so easy.
No.
You can do a copy. You can copy everything and then edit what you want to edit. Do you understand? But you must end
Yes.
at that assignment operator I plus 1.
I thought.
Now, be careful. Elif, that's E. So I don't know whether you are going to copy that elif with the E. Careful, it should line up. It's not lining up. When you have finished typing that message, you check, do you want your while loop to run 43 times or you want to change it? You have an opportunity to change it now. Do you want to change it? You're already changing it. Okay. Okay, I think every other thing is okay. When you get to the end, you can just hit enter and everything will start running. So this time it's going to run 15 times. What happened? Multiple statements found while compiling a single statement. Okay. I want to believe it's because that one did not fully finish. That's why. Okay, there's no problem. Did you copy everything? I have. Oh, you didn't copy it. Ah, hmm. You remember you did not copy the. After you copied that last print statement, you didn't copy the whole code again. Did you close it?
Yes.
Ah, okay. So that means you have to start it from I assignment operator 0 again. I greater than is I less than. No. If you do I greater than, the while loop will never run. Don't forget your colon. then your score, your score is the first thing that comes in there. Don't forget your parentheses. The int is a function. Input is also a function, so parentheses must come immediately after them. Quotation mark, warning, warning, warning. You've not finished now. There are two functions, so there should be two parentheses closing it. You are not indenting yet. You are on your if statement, so you are not indenting yet. The first range is what? 89 and 100, right?
Yes.
And if score, don't worry. By the time you type the first one, the first elif, you can use that first elif and print statement and be doing the rest.
Score.
I think you can paste. You have a print statement there, or it's slightly different. Your grade is A. You're right. Now your grade is A. Okay. You can change it. Okay. Then move out. Match. Line up good with the.
David, reduce the volume.
David is watching TV.
No, watching him on his phone.
Okay. Space out that score. Before you copy, space out the score. Less than or equal. The less than or equal to part. Yes. You can now copy. So copy with the print. Copy. You'd have copied with the print. Remember indentation level. Indentation level. No, not that side. Yes, that side. Yes. That one is okay.
Fortune.
You didn't space out the 59. What happened? Your grade is okay. Next line. Paste. Careful. That should be for F, right?
Yes.
And then the last one should be for the ones that we don't cater to. Don't worry, you can paste. Just change the elif to else. Then remove the condition. And don't forget to leave your colon. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Then you
Why?
sorry, this code is not catered to. Sorry, instead of 2, let's use 4. I think 4 is correct. Cater for this score. I thought you would like to show them or remind. Anyway, there's no problem. It's fine. It's okay. I think everything is fine now. Then don't forget your I assignment operator I plus 1. I assignment operator I plus 1. It should line up with else. Yes. Okay. Now you can test it. Sorry, this code does not cater for this code, correct? Yes, it's more accurate now. You can try a negative number. Exactly, that's it. Perfect. Okay. Okay.
Order. Mr. Chan, what is happening?
I'm not sure. Did you enter something that? What did you enter?
See,
Last.
3, 2, 1, 1, 15, 14, 12, 100, 345 minus negative 12, 1, 2,
Has it not
3.
done something? Count it. Count how many times it has gone. Count how many times the code has gone.
14.
So why are you asking what is happening? It has finished now. Was it not 14 you
Why
told?
is that showing blue?
You were the one typing in numbers. You thought that it was still running. Nothing happened. Do you understand?
I was just looking at the numbers.
Nothing. There's nothing wrong with it.
So why
It's
did you
okay.
type blue?
Because Python will not stop you from typing. Even if you are done writing the program, it doesn't stop you from typing. Scroll up. Let's see something. Let me look at the code again.
Okay. Me.
Okay. Yes, it starts from, and the code is really well written. It's nice. It's well written. That's what I like about it. The code.
Don't throw it out yet.
Single.
Wait until you tell mommy.
Do you have any question?
Just leave it for now.
Huh?
Google. Do you have any
Yes,
questions?
No.
I asked how many.
No.
Okay, so you understand it how it works, right?
Yes.
Okay, all right, no problem. I think we have tried for today.
Can
So
you give me a homework like this? I
what?
understand it.
You
This
say
is
what?
for my homework. Can I do while loop with chest size? Bless you.
Okay, that's fine. Yes, but can you
For
scroll
my
up? Let me see the code one more time. Yes,
okay.
you can. Okay.
You just have to show.
You say what?
You just have to show me the code and I'll understand it.
Okay. All right. Okay, so no problem. Well, we meet it tomorrow, 11 or 10.
Yes.
No, I think 10 is good, right?
11. Okay,
Why?
10 is good.
Let's do 10. Okay. All right, fine. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Merry Christmas in arrears. Happy New Year in arrears.
It's still Happy New Year now. Happy New Year is not in arrears yet.
Wait, what? But today is 3rd.
Yes.
Not 3rd.
It's not just a day. Yes, it's not just one day. So almost for the rest of January, you can even be saying Happy New Year, and it's still fine. There are some people that who you may not see till, let's say, middle of the year. If you've not seen them, you can even tell them Happy New Year.
And you will not say in arrears.
No, you wouldn't need to, because that's the first time you're seeing them this year. Do you understand?
Yes.
Anyway, it will be kind of in a joking manner anyways, so you don't need to say in arrears.
Kind of.
In a joking manner, as in, Happy New Year, like we've not seen this year, right? That kind of thing.
Okay.
Yes. All right, now enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.
Bye.